guys, for this project we are going to start with cutting the paper, and I am going to do this with the scissors with patterns because I think these kind of scissors add more details to our card, and I think it makes them pretty nice looking. So I'm going to start by cutting the paper first, and then once we do the cutting, then we can move on to the designing. We can do the drawing. So for this project, I have chosen branches of trees and 2 birds. So after I do that, then we are going to work with a Sharpie and the red pencil. So if you do not have a red pencil, that's fine. You can just continue with what you guys have available. Alright, so ready to go. I am going to do the sketching first. So with a Sharpie, let's do the birds here. So what I did is I sketched it first with a pencil, and then after I did the pencil, then it's easier for me to use the Sharpie. So this might be a bit thicker, guys. If you have a thinner one, you can use a thinner Sharpie. It's up to you what you have available. Okay. So I'll make them a bit thicker at the end, the edge here, and then thinner as we go up. So I am not adding too many details on this particular work. It is very simple and very little details. So as you see, the texture that I'm doing here, it's going with straight lines. Okay, and I'm doing the same thing here at the end. Just going to continue on the other side. And then you can continue with the patterns here. Okay. You really don't need too much details on this one. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. Right, so if I fold the card, this is how it's going to look. So let's continue with our red color here. And what I am doing is I am going to color all this red. Let's say these are our red robins. So I'm just filling up the big spaces. Don't have to be very careful here because it's crossing the line. It's going on the other side, and that is perfectly fine. So let's go around the eye here. We're going to make this all red. Alright, so feel any white spaces that you might have in there. On this one, I am going to leave a bit of white. You can do patterns if you prefer that. Right, and there we go. See, there is a difference between the two. I left a bit of white on this one. And I'm going to do the tail red. Alright, so now that we made them, I'm going to put a bit of red here. I am about done. Right, next step here is doing some gluing. So I am going to use glue here, and let's glue some flowers. So I'm going to keep it in almost the same tone color here. And we can extend this. We can do the flowers on the other side to see how I'm going that way. Okay, and I'm going to put a bit of pink because I think pink looks good with this color. They kind of go all together. So again, like I said, you don't need too many details. Keep it simple, keep it easy. to that. And right here. Okay. Alright, so we are almost done with our project. So as you see, I continued this on both sides. And that's about it, guys. So, okay, so you don't have to put too much time and effort. I think it's about done, and it looks really nice, really good as a gift to give it to people. So there we go, guys. Here you go. I think it looks really cute. It looks really beautiful, actually.